Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with another dramatic eye makeup tutorial for you guys. But before I jump in, I'm pretty sure you guys see that I'm rocking my natural hair today. Once more, you guys know that I haven't been doing natural hair videos much since lately, but you guys have been so curious to know which products I've been dibble and dabbling into. Well, for the most part, I've been sticking to one line, but I decided to go ahead and try out something new when I went ahead and washed my hair yesterday. So I used the Herboo Botanical Honestly Holistic, a deep cleansing dual shampoo and conditioner. Yes, shampoo and conditioner. This is a 2-in-1 and it's good for eczema, dandruff, and hair growth. Okay, so what I really loved about this was the whole 2-in-1 effect. How clean it got my hair and moisturized at the same time. It has sorrel, distilled water, peppermint, rosemary, lemongrass, coconut oil, jojoba, rosemary, and olive oil. So those ingredients, like bomb. And I love when my hair products have peppermint in them. This is also a Jamaican brand, so definitely a plus for me. And then after doing that, I pretty much just went in and I moisturized with the protective moisturizing hair oil, and this pretty much just has coconut, castor, and jojoba oil and vitamin E. All right, so I feel like these two right here, amazing. You can't believe that, just 2 products. And I also have a body and face oil. This is with coconut and sage essential oil. Guys, let me tell you, so this oil right here, it's amazing to remove your makeup. Amazing, beautiful. I love it. No traces left after cleaning off your face. It's beautiful. So I really give this oil a plus. So if you're looking for a really nice makeup remover, Herboo Botanical oil right here, the skin and face oil. Beautiful. So now that I've shared that with you and kind of got that out the way, I feel like it's time that we proceed. And oh yeah, I'll leave all the information on these products in my description box, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. But yeah, I feel like I've rambled enough, right? So I'm gonna jump right into the video. Just in case you have any further questions, get my curls this defined, I did use my Eco Styling Gel with the argan oil in combination with the Herboo Botanicals Protective Moisturizing Hair Oil. So I used these two, and that's what got my curls this popping. That's all. That's it. I feel like I want to go for a green eye look. That's definitely what I'm leaning towards. I feel like I want to do a very dramatic green cut crease. I'm using the Sistar and just kind of spread this evenly on my lids. So today, the palette I'm going to be working with is my Morphe 35B. The first color I'm going to take is a light green. This green here for the transition area. I definitely want to go in and just deepen the crease like a lot. So I'm just gonna jump straight to it and just go in with black. And I'm going to take the black from the palette, this one here, and just focus it right into the crease. I'm gonna go into my concealer again to cut the crease. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna be adding colors on the lid. So I'm gonna start it off with white. Going in with the white from the palette, which is this right here. Now I'm going in with this green here and pat it on the mid portion. The final green I want to go in with is this one here. Okay, so I did my wing liner off camera because I've done it so many times. I'm going to go in with some white at the end of the top of the wing liner. So I added lashes and I just went ahead and completed my face makeup. So now I want to line my lower waterline with white liner. So this is from Sistar Cosmetics, by the way, and it's just a white retractable liner. Then I'm gonna go below the white liner with some of the same green that I used in the transition area. To finish off the eyes, I'm just adding a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line. I'm definitely gonna go in with a neutral lippy today. So I'm gonna line my lips with Sistar Cosmetics brown liner. Then I'm just gonna apply clear gloss on the inner portion. Almost forgot my glow, guys, so I'm just applying that now. Okay guys, so I'm all done with this look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I really do appreciate the support, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe because I do upload at least 3 times over here on my main channel and twice over on my vlog channel. So if you're not yet subscribed to my vlog channel, it's PETITE-SUE TV. All the information will be listed in the description box. Yeah guys, I genuinely just appreciate all the support. Keep it coming. Almost at 400k, such a blessing. Thank you guys, and just stay tuned and don't forget to drop your suggestions of other videos that you want to see. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.